Today, I'll share a simple but powerful moral story in English. By listening carefully, you'll not only enjoy the story but also improve your English learning. The words are easy, the sentences are clear, and you can follow along just like a children's storybook. So let's begin. Life often tests us in ways we do not expect. Sometimes the problems we face feel unfair, but hidden inside them are lessons that can shape our future. Long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by hills, there lived a boy named Arjun. He was not rich, nor did he come from an important family, but he had a heart full of curiosity and determination. One hot afternoon, while coming back from the fields, Arjun saw a big stone lying in the middle of the main road. Many villagers stood around it, complaining. A merchant shouted that his cart could not pass. An old man shook his head and said the king never cared about common people. One by one, everyone complained, but soon they all walked around the stone and went on their way. Arjun stopped and looked at the rock. He saw the merchant's cart stuck at the side of the road. He saw children struggling to walk on the uneven path. He thought, if everyone just walks away, this stone will stay here, and tomorrow the same problem will trouble us again. Even though he was tired from working in the fields, Arjun put down his small bag of vegetables and started pushing the stone. It hardly moved. Sweat rolled down his face and his arms shook. Villagers passing by laughed at him. One said, "Why waste your strength? It is the king's job to keep the road clean." Another said, "Do you think you can move what even grown men left behind?" But Arjun ignored their words. He pressed his feet into the ground and pushed harder. Slowly, the stone began to move. Time passed, but Arjun did not stop. Finally, with one last push, the stone rolled off the road and rested in the grass nearby. Arjun sat down, tired and breathing heavily. Then he noticed something shiny under the spot where the stone had been. Curious, he bent down and found a small leather bag. Inside were gold coins and a letter with the royal seal. With shaking hands, Arjun opened it. The letter said, "This reward belongs to the one who cared enough to clear the path for others. True greatness lies not in complaining about problems, but in solving them." Arjun's eyes grew wide. He understood that what others saw as a burden was actually an opportunity. While everyone else wasted time blaming others, he found a treasure because he chose action over complaint. That evening, as the sun set behind the hills, Arjun walked home. Not only richer in gold but also richer in wisdom. The same villagers who had laughed at him now looked at him with respect. They realized that effort and responsibility, even when no one is watching, can change not just a road but a life. The lesson is simple. Obstacles are not punishments. They are hidden chances, waiting for those brave enough to face them. Instead of blaming others or walking away, if we take responsibility and act with courage, we may discover treasures we never imagined. If you were walking down that road, would you have tried to move the stone, or just walked around it like everyone else? Why? And if you want to improve your English, try repeating the sentences along with the video. It will help you learn faster. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who also want to learn English through stories.